Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix title issues with First American Title detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant documents related to your title issues. This includes the title report, any previous title policies, and property deeds. Contact First American Title's customer service or your local branch for initial guidance. Have your property information ready, including the address and any reference numbers linked to your case. Explain the specific title issue you are encountering to the representative. Listen carefully to their advice on the next steps you should take. If necessary, request a formal review of your title by a First American Title expert. Prepare for the review by collecting additional documents that may be required. Follow up to ensure that your request for a title review has been received. Once the review is underway, monitor the progress regularly by contacting customer service. If the issue is complex, consider seeking assistance from a real estate attorney. Stay in communication with First American Title, asking for updates on your case. Review any suggested remedies or solutions provided during the process. Be prepared to provide further documentation or clarifications as needed. Keep a record of all communications, dates, and names of representatives you speak with. Once a solution is agreed upon, ensure that all changes are documented correctly on your title policy. Verify that the title issue has been officially resolved and that all records are updated. Finally, safeguard your title documents in a secure location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.